Basically, I'm here to convert the education system of, or transform the education system of India, and starting with Kashmir, into a connected learning community. Now, connected learning community is the latest concept in education, which is a 2020 vision of UNESCO. Just with the minister today, and he was so impressive and said a lot of things about what our vision of the world is, and it confirmed with what we are doing. Now, the Kashmir schools, I met them in Bangalore about a year back, and they had so much of enthusiasm to convert themselves into the new basic system. So in this system, what happens is we are going away from the three walls of the class, or the four walls of the classroom, and reading, writing, and arithmetic to 5 C's. Now, if you know, all the students, suppose you give them any device, they'll be able to handle it because they are very good in computational thinking. Unfortunately, what happens is our elders have a problem with the new computers and the devices and things like that. So what we are trying to do in Kashmir is start by training the teachers. As you know, that Kashmir has a problem of closure of schools, and you know there's a problem in Kashmir. So a connected learning community will help us reduce that problem. That is, we can have the teachers online, and anytime there is no classes in the classroom, it could be done online. But you would ask me, supposing there's the internet connectivity also is not there, then how do we manage this? See, we are talking about the EduNet. EduNet is basically a private network only for education institutions. Now, I know how much of effort Varsab and team is putting in. I keep meeting them in different conclaves and different things. But they're extraordinarily compassionate about Kashmir education. You know, the only thing that can change Kashmir is education today. And whichever type of education it is, it might be a CBSE school, it can be an ICSE school, it can be an IGCSE school, away. Then I was talking to Varsab and said, see Varsab, if you see the best schools in India, they are all in the hill stations. You know, I myself studied in Ooty, and I have serviced a lot of schools in Darjeeling, Dehradun, Mussoorie, all those places. And Kashmir should become the headquarters of education. That's where we are coming to it.